Hi everyone, you guys must be wondering who I am. Am I here to give Gyan? If I'm here to give Gyan, then why am I here to give Gyan? All valid questions, but I want you all to stay with me for the next 15 minutes because if you all do, then you will find the answer to all of these questions plus a lot more. So stay on. The story is I'm going to take you all through a story, and the story is to do with my fitness journey. Hang on, I'm telling you, it has a goal, it's leading to somewhere. तो द स्टोरी इज अबाउट माई फिटनेस जर्नी और स्टोरी वो पॉइंट से शुरू होती है जब मैं अपने लास्ट वर्क प्लेस से जस्ट निकली हुई थी. वो वर्क प्लेस के डिटेल्स इतने ज़्यादा रेलिवेंट नहीं है तो मैं उसमें नहीं जाऊँगी, लेकिन इतना बोलूँगी कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिटनेस मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लोग जो वहाँ पे थे वो इतने ज़्यादा फिट नहीं थे. इसका मतलब ये है कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ जो लोग थे उनका उनका कोई एक्सरसाइज का हैबिट नहीं था. उनकी स्लीपिंग हैबिट्स बहुत पुअर थी, उनकी ईटिंग हैबिट्स बहुत पुअर थी, स्ट्रेस था, ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड नॉट जस्ट वर्क प्लेस, आई मस्ट एम्फोसाइज कि वर्क प्लेस से पहले भी जो भी मैं एनवायरनमेंट में रही थी, ज़्यादातर मेरे आजू बाजू ऐसे लोग नहीं थे जो फिटनेस को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते थे. एज अ रिजल्ट मैं भी खुद कभी रियलाइज़ नहीं कर पाई कि मैं अनफिट हूँ, या अगर मैं मुझे पता भी था कहीं पे, I never felt the urgency to make any efforts and to make any changes and to work on my fitness. Right? So that's the background. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि when I left that workplace और फिर मैंने एक क्लास स्लैश एक वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन किया, जिसका भी डिटेल्स इतना रेलिवेंट नहीं है अभी के लिए, लेकिन इतना बोलूँ कि वहाँ पे इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्राउड एक टोटल एनवायरनमेंट चेंज था. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन बाय दैट? कि वहाँ पे लोग इतने ज़्यादा फिट थे, बोथ लाइक एस्थेटिकली टू लुक एट, दे वर सो इन शेप एंड दे वर सो फिट लुकिंग, as well as functionally. They had great energy, they were strong, they were active, they were agile. All of those adjectives that we associate with fitness, they embodied all of them. And I was one of the very few people, if not the only person, who was quite unfit. और इसके आगे ये भी है कि वो जो क्लास था वहाँ पे जो लर्निंग स्टाइल थी वो भी मोस्टली थ्रू एक्टिविटीज थी. So that meant that I found myself in a spot where we always had to participate in activities. And that is when I realized that I'm very unfit because I was doing these activities with very fit people. मेरा स्टैमिना बहुत ख़राब था, मेरा तो बैलेंस भी ऑफ था बॉडी का, ऊपर से मेरी एनर्जी लेवल लो होती थी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं कर नहीं पाती थी, etc etc. Yeah, and obviously I didn't look in shape, needless to say. So that is when I realized that listen, I'm quite bad in this and I have to do something about this. और मेरे अंदर पहली बार एक urgency आई कि कुछ तो स्टेप लेते हो, कुछ तो बदलते, it cannot go on like this. और ये जब मैंने ठान लिया, I got out of that place and the next thing I did is what any newbie does when they're new to fitness, which is you join a gym and you get a trainer, and I did exactly that. I joined a gym, I got a trainer. Did it work out for me? Not exactly. I'll tell you why. Because fitness, also like other areas, requires some experimentation to find out that this works for me or this doesn't work for me. You have to begin to enjoy it, to be consistent with it, and you have to be able to create a habit out of it. All of those things I couldn't do through my gym time, बिकॉज जब मैं जिम जाती थी तो जो ट्रेनर है वो इक्विपमेंट लेके जाता था, एंड देन वी यूज टू डू दिस वर्कआउट, दैट वर्कआउट, ये इक्विपमेंट के ऊपर ये करो, इसके ऊपर वो करो, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. तो मैं वहाँ पे जाके बस जैसे ड्रिल कर रही थी मैकेनिकली, और मैं बिल्कुल एंजॉय नहीं कर रही थी. और मेरे आजू बाजू जो लोग थे वो पूरे तरीके से एंजॉय कर रहे थे. दे वर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, दे वर लाइकिंग इट. जिम टाइम वाज लाइक देयर मी टाइम. और उनको देख के मुझे लग रहा था कि समथिंग रियली ऑफ विथ मी बिकॉज आई एम क्लियरली नॉट एंजॉइंग इट. Anyways, so overall my conduct in that gym is like any other person who is doing something that they are not really taking a liking to, which is that you are not super consistent. You miss your sessions sometimes, some of your sessions are written off. Before going, whenever you do go, you have so many excuses of why you don't want to go. And when you do finally go there, you have this not very enthusiastic attitude, almost as if you're doing things for the sake of it. And that is something which is very palpable, and even your trainers, coach, everyone senses that this person is not a very serious candidate, which is what I was, I think, mentally categorized as. Anyways, this whole experience made me feel very defeated because for the first time in my life, I wasn't a very sincere, good student somewhere, or one of the very few times in my life. And I was not taken very seriously. And yeah, I was quite bad at it. Anyway, जब ये खत्म हुआ, मैंने अपनी मेंबरशिप रिन्यू नहीं की क्योंकि मुझे पता था दिस इज नॉट वर्क फॉर मी, तो कुछ और करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन ये जरूर था मेरे अंदर कि कुछ और करना है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू क्विट लाइक दिस. क्योंकि अभी अगर सोचा है कि फिटनेस के ऊपर काम करना है, तो अगर एक चीज नहीं काम की तो छोड़ नहीं दे सकते. सो आई हैव टू डू समथिंग एल्स. तो व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग, आई वाज ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग व्हाट डू आई डू, आई थॉट दैट what is the most traditional slash classic advice जो लोग देते हैं फिटनेस के एरिया में, which I should test now, because obviously what I had tried had failed, so I need to fall back on something more tried and tested जो हमको elders बोलते कि ये करो फिटनेस के लिए. और जब मैंने ये सोचा, मेरे दिमाग में एक ही चीज आई, which is pick up a sport, right? We've all heard that, pick up a sport. And so I joined badminton training. Badminton academy join की मैंने, and it worked out so much better for me than everything else, than gym, because badminton is not mechanical, right? It's a game, it's a sport, so it involves your mind. So even if you're running for 1 hour and you're sweating and you're exhausted and your legs are hurting because it is very high intensity exercise, your mind is still involved, it's still interested, because it's like it's engrossed in a game. That is why I said that, give some weightage to what your elders are saying or what is the traditional classic advice, because usually there's a lot of experience that has gone behind it, and there's a reason why it's like a traditional advice. Anyway, तो बैडमिंटन होने के बाद मुझे थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि ठीक है, अभी एटलीस्ट मुझे कोई एंट्री पॉइंट मिल गया फिटनेस के अंदर, तो अभी कुछ तो इसके ऊपर कैपिटलाइज करना पड़ेगा. Because my previous gym experience made me feel like such a bad student and so defeated. But I thought that no, I can't take that. I have to, in a way, recover and bounce back. And therefore, I joined a fitness class again. So there begins my chapter 2, which is re entering the arena. And when I re entered the arena this time, I same mistake nahi kiya. I didn't join a gym class because I knew that that has not something that has worked for me. So I thought, kuch aur sochte. And because of that, I joined a different kind of fitness class, which is a functional training class. मैंने फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग क्लास ज्वाइन किया. वहाँ पे ग्रुप था, वहाँ पे एक ट्रेनर होता था, वहाँ पे अलग अलग वर्कआउट्स रोज डिजाइन होते थे, तो therefore there was some variation. So I thought, okay, this might work for me much better than gym did. So I joined that class. I went there. Day one, entering sheepishly like any new kid does. I entered and first thing I saw is that, okay, they're all familiar with each other because they've been there for quite some time. I said, okay, fine, expected, let's go along. Number two thing I noticed that when the workout plan was laid out, और रोज एक workout plan होता था कि for example इतने reps spider lunges, फिर इतने reps crunches, फिर उसके बाद burpees इतने करना है, फिर जाके 2 laps लेने हैं, फिर वापस आके mountain climbers करना है, तो ऐसे एक workout plan होता था, and everybody would start together, right? So when we started, that's when I realized that, man, even though I've been doing my badminton high intensity training 3 times a week, my body is not used to this. So I was like trying to catch up with everyone because they were all much stronger. They had great stamina. Their bodies were used to doing it. And I was like just trying to understand what is this movement, because my body was not used to any of that. Anyway, and some exercises, by the way, I was not able to do. So I was quite behind in my stamina, in my ability to do certain exercises, in my agility, all of that. And sometimes so I would also see कि जब मैं struggle कर रही हूँ या मेरा फॉर्म अच्छा नहीं है या मैं कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ एक्सरसाइज, तो कुछ कुछ लोग होते थे जो एक दूसरे को देख के they were exchanging glances. Some people were sniggering at me. So these kind of incidents were happening, even though I must say that most of the class was largely quite supportive and quite nice. But still, these kind of incidents had started happening. फिर once a week होता था गेम्स डे. गेम्स डे में देयर यूज्ड टू बी पूरे क्लास को जो है दो टीम्स में डिवाइड किया जाता था एंड दे हैड टू कम्पीट विथ ईच अदर और हमको फिटनेस बेस्ड गेम्स खेलने पड़ते थे. और मैं जो भी टीम में जाती थी, someone would get impatient with me like, Divyani, do this, go there, stand there, keep this pace, pass fast, ye wo. And I was so new, I was like understanding what this exercise is about, but everybody was getting so impatient. Anyway, the purpose of sharing all of this is that when I took my initial steps, it's not as if things went off really well, right? There were failures, there were choices like gym choice that didn't work. There was initial struggle, there was judgment, all of that. And when you go through that, you do feel like maybe I should not continue, maybe I should do something else. Certain demotivating things can happen, at which point you think, should I continue or should I give up? Chapter 3, continue. Keep going. I told myself कि कोई भी judgment हो किसी के भी तरफ से, कोई भी कैसे भी behave करे, कोई भी कैसे भी देखे, however you feel about yourself, that I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to do this as well as them, or why should I do this, whatever excuses come to my mind, I told myself that whatever it is, I'm not going to judge myself, I'm not going to analyze myself. I will only give myself one task for the next few months, which is just show up. Nothing else. Just show up. And that's the only thing that I held myself onto. And I kept doing that. And as I was doing that, there was one day when I think I was doing bicycle crunches or some exercise. And my trainer looks at me and he's like, you have a great form. Like I did that. I looked at someone else and he's like, no. You have a great form. So I was like, okay. And that started happening quite a lot, where I was able to do exercises that I couldn't do earlier. My form improved, my stamina got better, my body composition improved, and more importantly, I had started enjoying it. And all of this happened, by the way, by just making one commitment to myself, by giving myself one task, which is just show up. So just by showing up and by putting in that much practice every single day, my body and my mind started adapting, and somehow it started acquiring all of those skills that I had been struggling with earlier. पर लाइफ तो इतनी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं है, कोई ना कोई तो डिसरप्शन इंटरप्शन आना ही पड़ता है. Which brings me to chapter 4, the interruption. So, I was following this philosophy that just show up, just show up, just show up, and then the class is there, it's pre-designed, the trainer is there, the group is there, everything. You will improve by just showing up. Because of certain personal circumstances at that point of time, I had to move away from that city, and I was living with my aunt for some time. And you must be wondering that what happened then to the pre-designed class, to the trainer, to the group, and all of that. It was all gone. It was gone, and I was feeling restless sitting at my aunt's place, because at that point, because I had exercised consistently for more than 3 months, I had developed a habit out of it. So I was missing it, and I was like, what do I do? Because the old crutches जो थे to fall back upon कि class designed है, बस show up करना है, हो जाएगा सब, वो कुछ नहीं था. So what do I do? So I told myself that I have gone to the class consistently for 3 months, so I've retained most of what I've learned. So I remembered everything, I wrote it down, and whatever I was missing, I checked out the Instagram page and I recalled the rest from there. I wrote it down, I created my own routine with some variation, obviously, on a day to day basis. And I started working out myself. So that was a level of progress I unlocked because I was able to become more self sufficient. एंड वो मैं कर पाई क्योंकि मैंने इतना कॉम्पिटेंस तब तक डेवलप कर लिया था प्रैक्टिस से. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, माई सिस्टर वाज विथ मी, सो आई सेड come exercise with me, I will teach you. And I taught her whatever I knew, and then she also learned and she started exercising with me, and it also benefited her. So that was an even more empowering feeling. One is to be able to acquire skills and do it on your own, and second is when you're able to share it with other people, that is an even better feeling. So why have I taken you through all of this? Through all of my long fitness journey, you must be wondering, which is why at this point I want you all to look at the screen, because वहाँ पे एक चार्ट होगा जहाँ पे 4 zones बने हुए हैं: comfort zone, fear zone, learning zone and growth zone. Comfort zone वो होता है जहाँ पे हमको नहीं लग रहा कि यार we need to do something different, कुछ रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा, कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा, जैसा है वैसे चलते रहता है, एंड दैट इज अ कंफर्ट जोन, राइट? विच आई वॉज एट वेन बिफोर द वर्कशॉप मुझे कभी कोई अर्जेंसी नहीं लगी कि मैं फिटनेस के लिए कुछ भी करूँ. फिर जब हमको थोड़ा रियलाइजेशन होता है कि नहीं यार कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, इससे बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा, और हम लोग छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लेने लगते हैं, दैट्स व्हेन वी स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ अ कंफर्ट जोन. बट इट्स ऑलवेज टफ बिकॉज इनिशियली हम जो स्टेप्स लेते हैं इट डजंट नेसेसरीली वर्क आउट फॉर अस. बहुत सारे फेलियर्स होते हैं, हमको एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू गो बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड एंड अगेन कम अप विद सम न्यू आइडियाज. हमारा जो स्किल है इट्स नॉट वेरी गुड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, सो इट्स पॉसिबल कि बाहर से जजमेंट या क्रिटिसिज्म मिले. एंड नॉट जस्ट बाहर से, हमें वी आर ऑल्सो सो हार्श विद आवरसेल्व्स, सो वी थिंक दैट आई शुडंट डू दिस, आई एम नॉट गुड एट दिस. तो ये सब बहुत कॉमन है. एंड देयर इज ऑफ कोर्स दिस लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन, देयर इज लाइक एक्सक्यूजेस, मूड, all of that. So that is the fear zone, and fear zone में बहुत आसान होता है quit करना. But if you don't quit, and if you keep going along that black line that you see on the chart, then you keep developing more and more and more competence, and you enter the learning zone where your body and your mind is now able to acquire that skill. So I was in fear zone when the gym thing failed, when in the functional training class, I was not great in the beginning, but because I continued, I entered into the learning zone where my body and mind learned new things. I started feeling more confident. I started enjoying what I was doing. I developed a habit. So that was a new progress, new level of progress that I was able to unlock. And as I went further along that line, there's growth zone where you feel even more empowered because you become, in my case, I became self-sufficient. I was able to teach it to other people. I was able to, you can see in learning zone वहाँ पे ये भी लिखा है कि deal with challenges and problems. तो मेरे भी life में challenges and problems आए कि जो भी चीजें मैं rely कर रही थी कि I just have to show up और ये सब है और मुझे बस practice करके I'm going to get better. Those things were in a way taken away from me. It was not with me. So I had to deal with that challenge by becoming self-sufficient. And I was able to do that क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा मैंने तब तक competence build कर ली थी. Yeah. So this is actually an example of my exercise story, but honestly, this framework applies to any other area because these skills can be acquired. Most of the skills can be acquired. And the idea is to share frameworks which I relate to on an experiential level, and I found to be true on an experiential level. And hopefully, in the process of doing that, I don't want to bore anyone. So that is the idea, or I don't want to give gyan. But this is the idea, this is the framework. And before leaving, I actually want to leave you guys with 3 takeaways, which I hope will sound simple and crisp and will benefit you and will stay in your mind long after this video.